of a vehicle is now identified who died this weekend after leading Graham police on a chase and crashing into a home, injuring 5 people.
Around 5 Saturday afternoon, Graham police received reports of a reckless driver on the south side near Walmart. Graham City Manager Eric Garrity says an officer found the suspected vehicle and attempted to pull the driver over. Garrity says the driver failed to stop and fled the area, heading north on Elm Street. The driver apparently lost control of the vehicle near the intersection, sideswiping another driver traveling nearby before crashing into a home in the 800 block of Elm Street.
Garrity says the driver, Juan Carlos Aguilera, was pronounced dead at the scene. The 5 injured residents inside the home are 4 adults and a 1-year-old boy. Their injuries included a fractured skull, a broken leg, and multiple instances of lacerations and abrasions. The driver of the car that was sideswiped was not injured.